Thanks to high-quality components and precise manufacturing, we are able to deliver ERA heat pumps that provide top performance, long service life, and absolute reliability for every customer.
We build heat pumps with natural refrigerant R290 and with precision engineering for you.
Every unit is tested, so you get the top performing units and eco-friendly heat pump.
The commercial and residential heat pumps ERA are being tested up to the minus 45 degrees Celsius. Let's have a look with us. As you see, they are working under these extreme conditions very well.